Something that's new, guys, he's actually gonna do some custom splitters, so custom side splitters. So you guys about to check that out. This one has fully custom by Fitted, that's his company. So he's actually here, he's gonna make some custom ones for the E92. If they come out sick, I might try to get some for myself. Before, after. Damn, holy crap, actually. They're actually white now. So both rings are finally white here, guys. For some reason, this one, in one setting, it's white, in the other setting, it's yellow. Let me show you guys real quick.
Use 400 or 600 grit sandpaper, then 800, 1000, 2000. Hit it with some of this in the compounding pad, this in the compounding pad, then back to this for the finishing. And I'm going to spray it with this, and you can't let it touch any water for 24 hours.
You guys about to see, so he's pretty much making this little end piece right here. So we'll show you guys how that looks in the end. So far, actually if you stand from this angle, it's actually already perfect. But we're gonna try to see if we can try to do something here real quick. First time, right? First time, so let's see. Peace out. Alright guys, just left the Vaughn's place. I'm actually gonna stop by tomorrow to continue this video. We're gonna help him wrap his roof as well. They're working on a full custom, you know, front lip, side skirts, rear side skirt extensions. This dude, John, I just met him today. Very, very, very talented. Hopefully you might be doing some things to my car if you guys like how the E92 turns out, so let me know down in the comments. If you guys like how it looks, you can do some custom things for my car. If you guys have found some things on the internet that looks dope for my car, let me know. I'll give it to him, and he can even do chassis mounted, so it looks super dope. It'll be the real deal. But anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I am sweating like hell. I mean, the single thing all day. It's about 5 p.m. So I'm about to get something to eat, because I'm starving, yo. Guys, all my coolant is gone. I don't know what happened. I just basically have coolant light, so my car is off in the Taco Bell drive-thru, my normal place. But yeah, look, vehicle info, vehicle status, check control, bam, coolant. I have no coolant in the car right now. This is really bad. So I don't even think I'm gonna drive it home. Guys, I don't know if you guys can see, but man, I just blew something. That's not good. You guys can hear the fan is just constantly going off. This isn't good. Yeah, so coolant's all over the engine bay. I don't really know what happened. I want to drive this home. I'm literally 1 minute away. So I think I'm going to let it cool down. I'm going to take my food. I'm going to go inside instead of eat it at home, unfortunately. But it's whatever. I guess Jessica Jones has to wait. I haven't eaten all day and I want to just go home, open up Jessica Jones and eat my Taco Bell. But I guess, you know, everything happens for a reason. So I'm just going to have to wait off for the car to cool down a little bit. It's super hot right now. And then when it's cooled down, I'll head out and just try to get home. But yeah, that really sucked. Alright guys, Dad's here to save the day. Shout out to you, my dude. Basically, my hoses or something, it leaked. everywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and park this over there at Walmart because I don't want Taco Bell calling anybody. I don't want to have any problems. I'm gonna park it at Walmart, wait till tonight. And then later tonight, I'm gonna go ahead and try to drive it when it's super cold, and I could probably drive it because I'm literally like 2 minutes away. I don't wanna call AAA and waste my AAA tow over a 2-minute drive. I'm pretty sure this car can handle a 2-minute drive. Worst comes to worst, if it can't handle it, I'll drive it again, probably like a mile or 2, and then cut it off, and then come back in another 3 hours. I'm willing to do that. I don't want to sacrifice my toes for this. So, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. But in the meantime, to get this thing to Walmart, hopefully temperatures are not too high. All right, let's check the temperatures. Okay, all right. I have a little bit to work with. There goes the coolant light. All right, guys, I just turned it off. You can see the coolant light is there. Go ahead and get out of the car. It's still there. That's how much, I have no coolant in the car. I don't know what happened. I really don't know. So I would have to drive this home later tonight and figure it out tomorrow morning. But meantime, the odds here. Let's just go ahead and lock the car and come back in a couple hours. Alright guys, so it is midnight right now. Your boy kind of shaved. I don't know. I was tired of the beard. I'm gonna get a haircut tomorrow because I look like, don't worry about it. So anyways, over here I was playing Fortnite with you guys. If you guys want to add me, you know, hit me up. Natty Trick, I'll throw it up on the screen right here. You guys can play with me, have some fun. But anyways, I was killing some time. Now it's time to go back to Walmart, pick up the car, and bring it back. Are you ready, Theo? I got my jogger pants on in case we need to pull it, push it. All right, let's go, let's go. As you guys can see, temperatures are low. I'm gonna keep it kind of low RPMs, and I'm just gonna let it roll all the way home. Okay, all right. Whoa, all right. Temperatures are finally going up. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we are on the street. We are home. We are good to go. Pretty much did a lot of things to this car, fully custom, side skirts, end skirts, front lip. We're basically gonna be wrapping the roof real quick, then giving it a full wash. We'll show you guys the end product. We're still waiting on a bumper to come in, so that'll be in a separate video. This bumper is pretty bad. But other than that, the rest of the car looks pretty badass. I don't even want to show you guys. I want to wrap the roof and then show you guys the full product. Guys, check it out. It's at our place right now. Damn, boy. Damn. So we're here back at my place. Pretty much project 1000 is complete. Almost not, I mean, not complete. Obviously a project's always a project, but for what it's at right now, it looks great. Fixed up a lot of the cosmetic things like wrapping the roof, fog lights, headlights, you know, pretty much all this extensions. We got the rear bumper extensions, side skirt extensions, the front lip with the tie rods sticking out of it, and everything is tinted from the front, fog lights, headlights, and of course, yeah, the roof, like we said earlier. It's looking super dope. What do you think of the transmission, dude?
Crazy, it turned out better than I thought it would.
I didn't think it was gonna come out this good either, damn. And when he said he was like on it, like he's like, we have, oh yeah, about the air scoops too. The faint air scoops. You guys just see like they're a little bit white. He was gonna do, what's it called? What you thinking about, lime green?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe, yeah.
Too,
oh yeah, he took off the plate too, which is a complete, yeah.
These are gonna be white bulbs coming in tomorrow. These are blue, but I might change the trucks of them on.
Oh, nah. We're good. We're good. Oh yeah, also the grills, you bought new grills. So those have been done. And then he bought just stickers. So he didn't have to replace the whole emblem. He just bought the black stickers, replaced them on everything. Like the interior steering wheel. It's looking good, dude.
They were on the car.
We just went ahead and slapped on the M3 spoiler.
What?
Let's go ahead and slap that on real quick. It's not too shabby. Dude, the last thing, seriously, the last thing you need is an M Sport bumper.
Don't show them.
I didn't zoom in, don't worry. Yeah, I'm still in awe myself. I'm over here sitting around, I'm like, man, it's pretty good, it's pretty good. But you guys know the next video now has to be just getting this thing back on the road. This thing, you guys saw, broke down on me, sucks booty, but yeah.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have words.